The Majestic Men's Collective. Welcome home. Brother, imagine this. A castle. Yes, a real one. Old world stone. Modern world comfort. Surrounded by waterfalls, fire pits, open fields, forests, rivers. Nature isn't the backdrop. It's the experience. Inside? Not a boardroom. Not a clubhouse. A brotherhood. A mastermind. A forge of sovereign men. Soundproof music studios where activities flow. Sound healing chambers where the nervous system fully resets. Fully equipped mechanic bays, custom bikes, classic cars, modern machines. Recording studios, podcasts, music, courses, and content. Natural gyms, bodyweight parks, obstacle trails, calisthenics blended into the earth. Cold plunges, hot springs, saunas built into the forest. Open fire dining, stone oven pizzas, organic food grown on site, craftsmanship, workshops, leather, wood, metal, and art, business labs for visionaries to blueprint and launch the next empire. But more than features, it's the experience. You arrive, the stress melts, the armor drops, the static just disappears. Your nervous system finally, fully breathes. You can have body wisdom sessions, face wisdom sessions, vocal recalibration, mentorship, mastermind, meditation, movement, music, mechanics, mystery. The brotherhood is built on health, wealth, wisdom, and legacy. A code of honor, a code of mastery, a code of sovereignty. The Majestic Men's Collective exists to restore the masculine to its divine blueprint, protect honor, and elevate the feminine. Lead the family, lead the community, lead the world from presence, power, and purpose. This is where it is. Men heal. Men transform. Men collaborate. Men create legacies. Men forge wealth, health, impact, and purpose together. It's as small as one man remembering who he is. And it's as big as rebuilding the world through legacy, ownership, and brotherhood. Come and visit for a day. Join a retreat. Join the membership. Own part of the land. Build your own sacred man cave, bungalow, eco-home, or studio within the grounds. Activities are optional, but always available. Body and energy work, strength and movement training, sound healing, recording sessions, mastermind labs and mentorship, nature immersions, hikes, rides, surf, farm to table, mechanical days, custom builds, restorations, brotherhood nights, fire circles, open mic, storytelling, family days, open to the wives, partners, kids, and the community at set times. This is sacred masculinity mastery. This is the Majestic Men's Collective. This isn't just a place. This is a remembering. This is where the masculine returns to its highest form. A place where castles hold not kings, but sovereign men. Where brotherhood isn't an idea, it's an embodied. Where old world charm meets modern mastery. Where music is made, Businesses are born, bodies are healed, minds are sharpened, and souls are remembered. This is the remembering. This is the rise. This is the Majestic Men's Collective. Join us. Visit. Build. Own. The next step is yours.